Salut YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a get ready with me inspired by Sophia Richie Grange makeup that she did a few days ago on TikTok with the new Hourglass tinted moisturizer, hydrating skin tint veil, whatever it's called, skin tint. I am really bad at being on TikTok, scrolling, and then feeling like I really need a product. So let's get started. So I already prepped my skin with my moisturizer and serum. If you want to know what I use, it's in my other get ready with me video, but I'm just gonna jump ahead and go with the makeup. She uses a brush, but I feel like to me it has to be quick and easy, so I use my fingers. And I also want to have a D-drop by Drunk Elephant. So this is something that she didn't do, but like it's an inspired makeup, right? It's not like a replica or anything. I have to say I've tried this skin tint once before. It is pretty amazing. I feel like it's more of a light coverage foundation because I have dark spot on my cheeks and I feel like it's pretty blendable and it hides what it has to hide, but you can still see the skin underneath, which is something that I love. I've come to embrace the fact that my skin is not perfect and I'm happy with the skin that I have. So that's that for the skin tint. Love it. It's really hydrating. So obviously if you have oily skin, I don't think that would be suitable, or you would have to add powder on top of it. But for me, who has dry skin, mostly in the winter, I feel like this is going to be perfect. Then I got this Vanish concealer. To be honest, I didn't think I'd be obsessed with it as much as I am. And that's why I got the mini size, just because I'm never really into concealer anyways. But this is crazy how much pretty it is. So I do just like that. And over here, I got the shade Sepia, and in the Hourglass skin tint, I am shade 8. If you ever are wondering, because they have a lot of shade and I feel like it's kind of hard to choose which one you are if you're buying it online. I really love this concealer. All right, so now I go in with my Merit bronzing stick and I don't even know if this is contouring, but that's how I like to do this. And I use the Merit brush to just blend it in. And then I like to add this to my eyelid as well. I am going to go in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear eyeliner. So I just tight line my lashes like that. And then I wing it a little bit like so, and then I go in with my Hourglass brush just to do a smudge wing. Like so. Then I go in with my Lancome mascara base. I've been using this for like so many years. I definitely feel like it does a great job at making your mascara looks better. So staying in the Hourglass family for this Get Ready With Me, I go in with my favorite of all time mascara, the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. And I feel like this mascara is the one that I'm going to repurchase as long as they keep making it. I have really short and straight lashes, and this is the only mascara that works great for me. If you have short lashes and straight lashes and you have another favorite mascara, I'm always looking to find the best one, so leave it in the comment down below which one you'd recommend. But like I said, this is kind of hard to beat for me. There you go. Now we're going to go with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the brow. I'm gonna link all the product down below if you ever need the color or the link to the product. And we are going to go with the Hourglass bronzer. She uses the ambient palette bronzer thing, but I feel like this one does a really great job. It's the Luminous Browns Light, and I go with a fluffy brush like that. Alright, and I use my Elephant palette for the blush right here. I blend the two of them together. I like to put it higher over here just because I have somewhat bigger cheeks, I feel like. So if I put it here, it looks like a clown, I feel like. Anyway, there you go. And finally, I will go ahead and use this Hourglass, what's it called? Phantom Lip Balm in the Sense color, the same one that she used, because I feel like it looks amazing on her. So I love this, you guys. I feel like I need this in every single color that is neutral, because I don't really do colors on my lips, but this is amazing. It's non-sticky, it's so buttery, and if you're thinking about getting one, you need one, you need two, you need three, you need this. So this is it, you guys. This is my Get Ready With Me inspired by Sophia Richie Grange makeup that she did on TikTok a few days ago. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, because I've heard that it helps with YouTube and getting noticed. So I will see you guys in my next video.